Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make German bread rolls. Please, after watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be informed each time I upload a new video. The things that I'll be using are 550 grams of wheat flour type 550, but you are free to use any flour of your choice. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 50 grams of softened butter, 9 grams of dry yeast, and 300 milliliters of warm water. So let's start. Here is my bowl. The first thing is to pour the flour into your bowl. Add in your salt, sugar, and the dry yeast. And mix together. Start adding your water bit by bit. After mixing it with your wooden spoon, add in your butter and mix everything very well with your clean hands. After mixing it, sprinkle some flour and place the dough on the table. Start kneading it until the dough is very soft. After kneading, grease the bowl and place the dough inside it. Cover and allow to rest for 1 hour. Here is our dough after 1 hour. Sprinkle some flour. Place the dough on your table and spread it like this. Cut into pieces. And start folding them like this. After molding them, use a clean razor to slit the breads. You can equally use a sharp knife to do it. After that, cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. Here are our breads after 30 minutes. Spray some water on them so that the breads can become crunchy after baking them. Bake in the preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the final result of our German bread rolls. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.